Well, rainy day, so can't drive it, but she's all ready to rock and roll. What's up, guys? Tim also with DragBoss Garage. Well, I didn't get to race yesterday, but I did get the car done, and it's just the way things worked out. But I also got it cleaned up today. You guys haven't seen it with a hood in a long time, either have I. I forgot what it looked like. But there it is. All ready to rock and roll. Just need to test drive it, but it's raining today, as usual. Just when I want to do something, but that's how it is. There's old Jim Wilson. You can see that. That's where the shocks came out of the hood right here. Doing one of those wheel stands we talked about. But yeah, she's ready. Getting pumped. Not much to see. Just the old Cougar's interior. Window net, all ready to rock. Big thanks to Izzy and Elena for helping me with the projects I've had, and my wife, Mrs. DragBoss. Thanks, Steve Bertis, for the Gap and Roush sticker. I appreciate it. But yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. And once we get that done, we can get back on that Mustang. Got a lot of projects going on. So stay tuned to DragBoss Garage. Here's a picture of under the hood, and also here's what she sounds like, in case you forgot. I added that Monte Carlo bar a long time ago, and those supports in the back, because these cars definitely flex, that's for sure. I ended up replacing one of the vacuum hoses for the vacuum pump. Wasn't reading right. I noticed it was old, so I replaced that. Transmission's in, she's topped off, ready to rock and roll. Paint looks pretty good for almost 40 years old, I'll tell you. Being painted by my buddy Bob Berger in his garage. Stay tuned to DragBoss Garage. Always seeing and learning something new.